Please lang, pagpagin naman. Okay na, okay. Binigyan na kita ng sing-sing, wala pang kiss. Pero, di ba, sa Hawaii, binigyan na kita ng lady. O, di ba? O, di ba? O,
Ano meaning nito?
meaning niya, friendship ring yan. Last night na natin, so bibigyan kita ng kiss. Ready yung video niyo? Ready yung video?
Yes. Yes, yes.
M-kiss. It's so well, well kissed. Gumagaling naman ako pagkakasama nito. Okay guys. Lahat ng kumukuha, ulitin ko lang, sabi ko sa kanila, lahat ng mga kumukuha ngayong gabi, padala nyo kami ng kopya. At saka...
Pagkakalin niyo po siya, Concepcion Gabi.
Concepcion Gabi lang.
Wala bang Gabi?
Ay, wala kasi Gabi Concepcion, may kumuha. Ikaw. Maraming kumukuha ngayon ng live. Nagla-live ho kayo, di ba?
People watching us.
So, thank you very much. Dahil pinalagay niyo kami sa YouTube niya. Everybody is watching us tonight. It's our last show. And we'd like to let you know, medyo sad because pasaya tayo ngayon, pero mamaya malungkot na. Pero okay maganda. Babalik po kami, right? Okay. Next one, sir. Pero,
Siya parang yung kami movie, hindi ko na nung kailan.
yes.
Depende sa story ang parang
Pinaplano lang natin sa pinakamaganda. Kung meron po kayong mga storya ng buhay ninyo, sabihin lang ninyo sa amin. Baka magawa nating love story, okay?
Itag nyo lang siya. Yan po ang kanyang request.
Tag nyo ako.
Okay. Anyway, right now I'm going to sing naman theme songs of our later movies.
Sino po sa inyo ang gustong makarinig ng mga kantang ginanta ni Sharon sa mga pelikulang ginawa namin?
Later movies.
Yes po.
Maybe kami, hiwalay kami.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sharon.
Okay? Yes, dear man. Alam ko naman nandiyan ka lang lagi. Bago ba ma-outfit natin?
Eh, paano pinagpapawisan na ako eh? Kailan nag-iisa ko para sa'yo?
Sa Hawaii, naka-jeans lang tayo. Dito
Lahat.
mainit, paglabas nanginginig sa lamig.
Lahat pinalitan ko, maliban sa tatlong bagay. Sapatos. Medyas.
Same. Huwag mo na sabihin yung isa. Okay, ayaw.
Okay. Okay, tama na yan. Okay.
Salamin. Yan.
Ay, iba rin.
Yan, okay.
Okay, so, yes, lahat pong na ginagawa po natin ngayong gabi ay hindi po matutupad yan kung hindi kayo dumating dito. Dahil kung hindi, dalawa na kami nandito.
May banda. Pero malamang iniwan din natin. Natin na tayo.
Malamang nagre-rehearse lang kami, di ba? Okay, pero napakalungkot naman kung kami lang nandito. Buti lang niya kayo, parang pakambuka sa But, what started this all was of course yung ating movie. You were doing your Mr. DJ and I have this request.
Mali. Nagkasabi na hiwalay na nag-concert na hindi pa alam yung kanta. Mr. DJ, can I make a request? Whenever you love someone, Mr. DJ, sana I take you to the bridge. It's like, oh, similar movie when I was 15 and he was
15.
7.
Okay. No, 14 ako nung pinanonood ko yung mga narinig ko yung mga kanta.
12 lang ako nun.
45 yun, di ba? 45.
Oo, tapos naging 33. Ngayon,
Yes.
wala na yung vinyl.
Oo.
Iba talagang sama ng vinyl.
At saka, nung araw, meron pang yung laser disc. Di ba? Nauso rin yung Betamax.
VHS, VCD,
Hindi ko
DVD.
lalaki, may tatawa na sinabi ko, Betamax. Sino sa inyo meron pang Betamax? Machine.
Gusto mo ito yan? Napakahalata tayo.
Marami kasi
Sa mga
Betamax na
generation.
hindi ko na maplay. Sino sa inyo may Betamax machine?
Ipalipat mo na, Diyos ko.
Hindi, sa VHS.
Ipalipat mo na sa ano, drive.
Okay, yung 8 track. Sino sa inyo may 8 track? Lalala niyo yun? Okay, di ba? This song started all. Kaya tayo magkakasama ngayon, Dear Heart.
Because we met and then we did this movie. We shot it for 5 months. We did not fall in love. When we were dubbing the movie, that means we were putting voice into our scenes. Did we realize?
Sumanay ka sa kotse ko, tapos dinala na kita sa langit.
Shooting yun na
Sa
ba?
langit.
Baliw. 18 na ako noon. Okay. So this song started with Paul. Dear heart,
Oh my God.
ikaw raw ay tahatang at di mo ba kayang mag-isa?
Alam mo, sa bawat hindi na alam yun eh.
Sige, tuloy mo lang yung papa ko naman.
Ang pag-ibig mo nadarama. Hindi pa. Alam mo ba?
Parang sumali pa kayo niya. Sa batang katulad mo, ito
Kiss okay. Wala'y di na isang Binigyan na kita ng sing-sing, wala pang kiss. Pero, di ba, sa Hawaii, binigyan na kita ng lady. Di ba? Di ba?
Ano ba meaning nito?
Meaning niya, friendship ring yan. Last night na natin, so bibigyan kita ng kiss. Ano yung video niyo? Ready yung video?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Kiss. It's so well kissed. But is it I'm so well, and I'm here with you
But
tonight.
this is not anyone.
Oh,
It's not Tora.
Yeah,
What is
that's for me.
Yeah, he just got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, guys, maraming salamat sa inyo. This is our last show tonight. And we just want to be crazy tonight by just being ourselves. At I hope we see you again next time. It's,
And also,
ako nasa kanya tenga nila kaya umuwi. But anyway, guys, maraming salamat. Thank you very much, Sharon, for doing this show.
I just have to say, you know why? It's really emotional for me. First of all, when you're sick, you're more emotional. But it's really been an emotional journey because I'll tell you why. For decades, I did not know if Gabby and I were even going to be friends again. And then we did, from some miracle by some miracle, we did the Dear Heart concert at the Mall of Asia Arena last year. And then, by a bigger miracle, our teams started discussing the tour, and we finally did it. It's emotional for me because naturally, he is a part of my life and always will be.
Aww.
And to add to that, our team up is such a beloved team up. Even we don't know why, but we are certainly thankful. And it's so special that we're not just doing the tour, but we've become friends, we've become close, we've become... I didn't think this was going to happen, truthfully. Naiyak na naman ako.
You know, every time we do a show, yung iyak niya dito sa stage, first part lang yan. Yung second part, yan yung stage. Kaya meron akong, yung tissue na yan, meron akong tuwalya.
Sa guys, kaya kung really mo na sa kung nababaliw yan.
Marami kaming good memories, but tonight is our last night. And like I said, it's a bitter-sweet kind of feeling
And
because may iwan namin kayo.
And I need to tell them our secret. That throughout the whole tour, nakikita lang kami on the day of the show. Diba? We have, except in Hawaii, we had dinner once with the teams. But the whole tour, I've seen you a total of maybe 8, 9 times. Only in the 8 shows. 9 times. Because also, yeah, when we lived in Hawaii.
Nag-worry kasi ako dahil makadevelop ako.
Ako, alam ko. Alam ko. Mangyayari kaya best joke lang.
Pero really,
because na,
natin makakalimutan na meron tayong pinagsamahan.
yeah, but that's why I didn't know kasi, I didn't know if it was gonna work well. Kaya sabi ko, we'll just do the shows. We've taken separate flights, separate cars. Naturally, we stayed in separate rooms. Minsan separate hotels pa.
Pero madalas ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na ibenta mo na yung bahay mo. Dahil nandito ako nakatira sa puso ko.
Hindi ko rin ginagawa pa.
Anyway,
Yung
guys,
bahay ko.
we're just all having fun tonight. And
Yes,
I'd like
we
to-
are.
We'd like to continue this even as a dream na sana we can do this again next year.
And Gabby, thank you.
And with Casey, that'd be nice.
We will pray that God works out well. There's nothing impossible when you love your own flesh and blood.
Well, you know what? Hindi naman
Let's
mangyayari.
not talk about that
Hindi
here.
naman mangyayari lahat ng ito kundi dahil sa ating dalawa.
Yes, that's right.
So this is a song para sa inyo lahat.
From one of our favorite movies.
Tayong dalawa.
Yeah.
O dinner.
Hindi.
Let's do this.
Buti nga ngayon, ganyan ka dati, tinutula mo na yung lyrics para na
Sino sa inyo nanood sa Okada o sa Samoa? Hindi.
Kaya nandito sila. Pero meron mo flew in from
That
Manila.
was the start, and this is the end. And I hope we can do more shows.
shows again, I'm just gonna keep this in my heart and say thank you to you forever because we made so many of our fans happy.
Lahat,
Yes.
lahat rin tayo lumuluha in our own way, in our own time. Sino sa inyo ang umiiyak na wala rito? On your own, umiiyak kayo, di ba? Dahil masaya, malungkot, di ba? Hindi. Kapwa tayo lumuluha.
Kapwa lumuluha. I celebrate my love for you. It's true, this whole world will see that you national anthem.
Oh!
National anthem natin?
Ay!
Meron ba? Meron ba
Very
contribution?
much na.
As our story comes to an end this evening, remember, the fairy tales don't always end with happily ever after. There are also stories of hope, moving forward, rebuilding friendships, and building loving families, as it is with our dear heart.
We could love so free, know we'd never part. But I'm not a child, and wishes are just child's play. No one ever be afraid of who I am.
Wish I was a bird. I want to win my wings. Safe from all the storm. No trouble can hurt. But I'm not a bird. And wishes can just fly away. And I'll never be afraid.
Everybody now sing with us. La 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 la. La 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 la.